Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of wooden wall art and decor, bringing you a collection of inspiring ideas that will transform your living spaces into cozy, stylish heavens. Whether you are a seasoned crafted or just looking to spruce up your home, we have got something for everyone. So let's get started. Number one is rustic geometric wood panels. Have you ever thought about combining the beauty of nature with modern design? Our first idea features rustic wooden panels arranged in eye catching geometric patterns. We'll guide you through the process of selecting the right wood, cutting precise angles, and assembling a stunning wall display that adds depth and character to any room. Number two is personalized wood slice gallery. Capture cherished memories in a unique way with our personalized wood slice gallery. We'll show you how to transfer photos into wooden slices and arrange them in charming cluster on your wall. It's a wonderful way to tell your family's story while adding a touch of warmth to your space. Why settle for a regular wall clock when you can craft a functional work of art? Learn how to create a whimsical wooden clock using different types of wood and various turning techniques. Thank you have it a treasure of trove of wooden wall art and decor ideas to fill your creative endeavors. Remember the beauty of DIY lies in making these projects uniquely yours, so don't be afraid to experiment and put your personal touch on each creation. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest eye inspiration. And I hope this collection of pictures will be very helpful for your interior designs to decor your walls with wooden projects. Thank you.